What is up guys, welcome to the channel. We are starting from the most favorite part in knife making process, hand sanding the blade. And in fact, in this episode there will be a lot of hand sanding, but only because I want to make a aluminum casted guard, and I also decide to make cool and fancy looking handle. I'm preparing the guard model, sand. It is the same sand I've used the last time. It can be reused. The casting mold, and I'm lighting the forge. This shiny up one is designed exactly for the casting purpose, and to be honest, I just don't understand people at semi-scientific channels who wearing t-shirts and playing with liquid metal. Guys, just remember, if something goes wrong, the proper clothes can save your health or even life. Be prepared for a worst case scenario. It is better this way. Okay, so the guard is casted and it looks good so far. This is beautiful double colored maple guard. I think it will be just perfect to this sunlight session. Uh-huh. Yep. This is the second time I've been hit by grinding bell. You cannot see it, but I have respirator mask, hood, PPE headphones, and the glasses. So, head and face is fully covered. Remember, be prepared for worst case scenario. Because this is the first time I make San Mai blade, I thought that I'll make a little more complicated handle. And it is the moment I should say that I took inspiration from Jelly Heisenberg. His knives are like, I don't know, like super bikes. You will know what I mean while you check his Instagram, a link in the description. So guys, making this knife was a really great challenge, but also a great fun. I will definitely try it again. So if you like this idea, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to support me and see more, subscribe my channel and click the ring bell button to get notification that the new video is uploaded. This is all. Have a great day. Bye bye.